Hello friends, today we have researched and brought together the food factory for you. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and give a like. In large factories, milk is packaged like this. A food factory refers to a large-scale industrial facility where food products are manufactured, processed, packaged, and distributed. These factories typically use advanced equipment and technology to produce food products on a massive scale, following strict quality control standards to ensure safety and consistency. Some examples of food products that may be produced in a food factory include canned goods, baked goods, snacks, confectionery items, and ready-to-eat meals. Food factories also employ a large workforce, typically composed of skilled and unskilled workers, who perform a variety of tasks such as mixing, cooking, packaging, and quality control. The working conditions in a food factory are regulated by local health and safety laws to ensure that the environment is safe for both workers and consumers. A chicken factory, also known as a poultry processing plant, is a type of food factory that specializes in the production and processing of poultry products, such as chicken meat. These factories typically follow a standardized production process that involves raising chickens, slaughtering them, and processing the meat into various products such as whole chickens, chicken parts, or processed chicken products like chicken nuggets or deli meats. A pasta factory is a food manufacturing facility that specializes in the production of pasta products. Pasta is a staple food in many countries and is made from a simple combination of flour and water, although some variations may also include eggs or other ingredients. In a pasta factory, the raw ingredients are combined and processed using large-scale equipment and advanced technology to produce a wide variety of pasta products, such as spaghetti, macaroni, and ravioli, in various shapes and sizes.